DJ Lito.
DJ Lito.
DJ Lito, congratulations.
Yeah.
Yeah, Simple MC, you groomed a young man. This man started in a DJ camp, Bajita, the Empire DJs. Nina guy wamita Simple MC, a CEO. It's cool when I get a yamabino, Walu Abajego Bukuru,
about taking a person.
Bukuru Yamaka.
Atemiaka, Obukulu Magezi.
Abukuru Magezi.
Katonda Wabakwa Demiaka, be proud of it, Abamte Bajituka.
Yeah. So Simple MC was my DJ, Nalinkora musical show. Kutumide Konyo, this is our boy. Era awangudde
he made it, so you have to make him the proud day. Awangudde award mu Afrima.
Best DJ in Africa.
Yeah, which was so amazing. Era chimusano mwana ono akuba. Mu bantu benda byabakuba. Omwana ono obeera mu ndongo. N'agikuba mu abayitayo nze bwempulira munyumbirwa ne mudde wakanga musima busimi. So congratulations brother. We are so proud of you.
Exactly. How good is DJ Lito? Kasta is coming back. The first thing is down here. We shall be engaging with him.
Okay.
Tumugezese nainga this is the second DJ nga Bebe Cool blesses you and they make it.
Bebe Cool akiriza nnyo mwana ono by the way.
Era olwakula akayimba kano TikTok, that song that is playing, I think is one of those songs that created public attention, global attention about him, and we have seen him achieve this. So Chovola, this guy is called Mr. Show Business. Sometimes what he touches turns to gold. In show business. Yeah. Surely, let's see this. Let's see this happen last night.
Bonjour Senegal.
Bonjour.
Hello everyone.
Hello. Walaikum salam.
My name is DJ Lito from Uganda, and of course, I want to thank everyone from my country for voting me. And of course, I dedicate this to all the African DJs, and of course, all the DJs from my country. This is for you, and of course, to all my fans. I want to thank all the media houses in my country for giving me a hand. And of course, my beautiful manager over here. We've been having sleepless nights. Congratulations, Africa. I love you.
Yeah.
Gwe wali olaba
onywera bwot ng'olulirya ati
n'otandika okusindika emabega
nowanika
n'ekifuba. Oh my God. Of course, there was a DJ Lito mumulabye mu luyimba olwo. Congratulations after all. Ensonga gwaliko right now as we speak in Uganda. Tukulinze brother, we are so proud of you. Wabula twaguddeko ku muwala eyakuba munne abakuba Nicole Pretty